Hi there, my name is Phyllis Bensoussan, and I am a senior audiologist with Hearing Solutions in Thornhill, Ontario, Canada. Today, I want to talk about a question that I get often from my patients. And the question is, which hearing aid is right for me? Now, hearing aids are not a one-size-fits-all device. It is a prescription. And what does that mean? That means that it can only be prescribed by someone who's licensed to do so. And that would be either an audiologist, typically, or a hearing instrument specialist. How does one make the right prescription? Well, that starts with an evaluation. And before we even get to the evaluation, a patient has to feel as though they have a problem. So if they are being brought in by a family member, but they don't really feel like they have an issue, then they're probably not yet ready for a hearing aid. But I do tell my patients that if you are told by your close loved ones that there isn't a problem, that you're not hearing properly, it's a good idea to listen to them because the people closest to you are the ones that are likely to tell you that there is an issue. So once we establish that the patient is feeling that there is an issue with their hearing, then they need a complete hearing evaluation. Part of that evaluation is the actual hearing test, which tells us the degree and the severity of the hearing loss. But also, just as important, is the extremely important conversation that has to happen between the clinician and the patient to determine their lifestyle and the situations where they're having difficulty with their hearing. This is really important because I would give a certain prescription to someone who stays at home and watches TV most of the day alone versus a person who's very active and out and about. Another issue that we look at is the dexterity, whether a person is able to take off the sticker on the battery and actually change the battery. That could be difficult for some people. And when that's the case, a rechargeable hearing aid option is offered. So there are so many different options, and the only way to know and to have the right prescription is to have a complete evaluation. Hearing aids are not a one-size-fits-all. It isn't something that you can order online and expect for it to do the job. And I do have patients that come and tell me about the Facebook ads that I also see. I get the same ads, and some of them have ordered devices online which never arrived, or have ordered devices online but have seen that they were just so disappointed. Look, our government gives us $1,000 towards the set of hearing aids. That is through the Assistive Devices program in Ontario. The government would not give us a $1,000 grant if hearing aids cost just $50 or so. Whatever looks too good to be true usually is. So I invite you to come in and have a proper evaluation. We are here. We're open. We are essential services. We are safe. Our clinics follow extreme COVID-19 safety protocols. And we promise you that we will do everything in our power to earn your trust and to give you the best solution to your hearing problems. Have a great day.